The ugly chick. Once upon a time, there lived a Kanya born by the countryside. On a Sunday morning, she laid 4 eggs. Perfectly good looking chicks came out the 3 eggs. But the chick that came out of the fourth egg was very ugly. On seeing the ugly chick, the mother hen felt sad. She thought that everyone would make fun of her child. Everyone in the neighborhood and at school laughed at the ugly chick and teased him endlessly. The little chick was very sad. I am so ugly, she thought. No one like me. What a waste I am. One day the owner of the barn threw a party. Many people were invited to the party. The owner needed 3 chicks for the party. He wanted to roast the tender meat and serve it to the guest for dinner. He stepped into the barn and chose the 3 good-looking chicks. Seeing the fourth chick, he said, "Ugly, if she looks so ugly, how bad is she going to taste?" And that's how the chick's bad looks saved her from the certain death. Moral: some things are blessings in disguise. Have a nice day. People star MS Murthy.
2 BHK, 3 BHK, shops, restaurant, supermarket and commercial. Available for rent in Kolattur. Nearby Meridian Hospital, Kumaran Hospital, backside of Red Terry. Please contact 9034555554. சென்னை கொளத்தூரில் அதுவும் ரெட்டேரி ஜங்ஷன்ல நம்ம KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட் 2 BHK and 3 BHK flat ரெண்டல் அவைலபிள் இருக்கு. மெயினான ஏரியால KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல 2 நல்ல பெரிய ஷாப் ரெண்டல் அவைலபிள்ல இருக்கு. KRM அபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் மெஷின் ஃபிளாட்ஸ் அவைலபிள்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் வந்தா மட்டும் போதும். உங்களுக்கு தேவையான சகலமும் அந்த வீட்டுக்குள்ளேயே இருக்கு. ஃபுல் ஃபர்னிஷிங் ஃபிளாட்ஸ் அவைலபிள்.